In a verdant forest, a curious critter stumbles upon a hidden passage leading to the unknown. Through the tunnel, a wondrous world beckons, filled with hues that seem to dance in the sunlight. Amidst the beauty, a plaintive cry cuts through the air, drawing Bunny towards a heart-wrenching discovery. A cage of despair looms in the shadows, trapping innocent souls in the clutches of unseen danger. Wisdom incarnate, an owl of ancient lore, listens as Bunny recounts a tale of sorrow and impending doom. Beneath the watchful eye of the moon, a plan takes shape, forged in the fires of friendship and courage. An ominous presence looms, disrupting the harmony of the garden as the hunter's arrival heralds a storm of impending danger. In a ballet of bravery, allies unite against a common foe, orchestrating a symphony of distraction to shield the vulnerable from harm. A wild pursuit unfolds, a dance of evasion and pursuit where speed and wit outmatch brawn and cruelty. Victory echoes in the distance as the hunter's cries fade, triumph carried on the wings of friendship and selflessness. In the fading light of day, two comrades reflect on a journey of courage and compassion, the garden now a haven of peace and unity. In a new beginning, a family finds solace and warmth under the watchful gaze of newfound friends, a bond forged in adversity, now a beacon of hope and joy.